Viewers, I am Dr. Farooq Hussain, Homeopathic Consultant. Welcome to my Homeopathic Medicine channel. Viewers, today I shall describe about asthma treated by Homeopathic Sehgal method, Asthma Homeopathic Medicine or Mind method, case number 7, or how can I select COCCULUS indicus by Sehgal method or Mind method. Viewers, patient version 1, the patient says, I am not bothered about myself, my family, and you are doing best to help me. Everyone in my family is very nice to me and take care of my health and my needs. Now, if even then my condition is not getting better, then let it to be so. Something that cannot be cured must be endured. Patient version 2. But doctor, one thing that causes anxiety in me is future of my children. If I die, what will happen to them? Patient version 3. I don't want to be disturbed by anyone. I just want to be left alone wherever I am and in whatever position I am. Viewers, on the basis of patient version 1, the rubric is mind recognize everything but cannot move. On the basis patient version 2, the rubric is mind anxiety others fall. On the basis patient version 3, the rubric is mind disturbed averse to being. Viewers, if we do repetization, we found here 3 rubrics. Patient's altered mental state. Number 1, recognize everything but cannot move. Number 2, anxiety others for. Number 3, disturb averse to being. In this case, anxiety about other is aroused in the patient. She wants to accept the reality, her own health, and disturbed to attack at others times who does not want to be disturbed. The general medicine for this rubric is COCCULUS indicus. So, COCCULUS indica 30 was given the patient. Viewers, thank you watching my video. For regular update, please like, comment and subscribe my homeopathic medicine. Thank you.